There's one truth you must understand. Hurtful people will always exist. Some will try to make you feel small just to feel powerful themselves. Others will criticize, mock, or ignore you, not because of who you are, but because of the pain they carry inside. But here's the real power. You can't control what they do, but you can control how you respond. The strongest people are not those who fight back with hate. They are the ones who stay calm, focused, and unshaken no matter who tries to bring them down. So today, I'll share with you 3 powerful ways to stay strong around hurtful people. Ways that will help you protect your peace, your mind, and your energy. When someone says something cruel or disrespectful, your first reaction might be anger or pain. But remember this, their words are a reflection of them, not you. Most hurtful people are carrying deep insecurities. They project their own pain onto others. When they see you happy, confident, or growing, it triggers something inside them. So they attack, criticize, or belittle you, not because you're weak, but because your strength reminds them of what they lack. The moment you understand this, you stop taking things personally. You stop letting other people's opinions shape your reality. You realize, that's their story, not mine. When someone tries to tear you down, let their words pass through you like wind through trees. Don't hold them, don't fight them, just let them go. Your peace is worth more than any argument. Being kind doesn't mean allowing people to walk over you. Staying strong around hurtful people means knowing where your limits are. You have every right to protect your space, your energy, and your peace. If someone constantly brings negativity, you don't owe them your time or attention. You can distance yourself respectfully and silently. You don't have to explain or defend your boundaries to anyone who doesn't value them. Strong people don't seek revenge. They seek distance. They don't shout to prove their worth. They walk away knowing their worth doesn't need proof. And remember, setting boundaries isn't cruelty. It's self-respect. The moment you decide who gets access to you, your life starts to change. Your energy feels lighter, your confidence grows stronger, and your focus becomes clearer. When you say no to people who drain you, you're saying yes to your peace, your growth, and your happiness. Here's the truth, you will meet hurtful people throughout life. You can't avoid them all, but what you can do is use their negativity as fuel for your strength. Every insult can become motivation. Every rejection can become redirection. Every painful experience can become a lesson that shapes you into someone wiser and stronger. Think about it. Some of the most powerful, confident people today were once broken by others' words. But they didn't stay broken. They rebuilt themselves. They turned pain into power, wounds into wisdom, and hate into purpose. So, instead of asking, "Why did this happen to me?" start asking, "What is this teaching me?" Because every moment of pain carries a hidden message. You are stronger than you think. When you use hurt as a tool for growth, no one can destroy your peace, because your peace no longer depends on others. Staying strong around hurtful people isn't about being cold or emotionless. It's about protecting your light in a world that sometimes tries to dim it. You are not weak for caring. You are not foolish for loving. You are brave for choosing peace in the face of cruelty. You are strong for walking away when your heart deserves better. So when someone tries to hurt you, pause, take a breath, and remind yourself, their words don't define me. My peace, my kindness, and my strength define me. The real power lies in silence, in calm, in choosing peace when chaos surrounds you. And one day you'll look back and realize, those hurtful people didn't break you, they built you.